I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable options trading on ETRADE, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your ETRADE account. Start by logging into your ETRADE account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the account you want to enable options trading for. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, find and click on the Accounts tab located in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Select Options Trading. In the Accounts section, look for the Options Trading option. Click on it to access the Options Trading application. Step 4. Complete the Options Trading application. Fill out the application form with the required information, including your trading experience, investment objectives, and financial situation. Be honest, as this will determine your eligibility. Step 5. Submit and wait for approval. After completing the application, submit it and wait for ETRADE to review your request. Approval can take a few minutes to a couple of days, so be patient. If you don't see the option enabled after a few days, check your email for any updates. Once you've completed these steps, you should be all set to start trading options on ETRADE. Good luck and happy trading!